The story that I'm going to narrate is the story of each of our lives. Every person goes through this. Have you ever seen that anything that goes wrong in life, we start with, I got angry because I am sad, because I am hurt, because most of this because is many a times we try to give the because or the reasons to someone else. So maybe today's story, what I'm going to narrate, is going to help you out. And I'm also trying to practice this. This story is about from a Zen series. This story is about a Zen master who wanted to practice meditation. And he was almost there, reaching out to the highest point of his life, where he was supposed to meditate quietly without getting disturbed by any of the factors. And then he chose to meditate in his monastery where there were students. As he was sitting for meditation, he found that the noise from the fellow students disturbed him. So he gets up and moves into the garden area, goes and sits into the garden. Now there he gets disturbed with the birds, the chirping of the birds. There are a couple of stray dogs which are playing around. And then again he got disturbed and he gets irritated. Now with this irritated mind, he is unable to reach his pinnacle of meditation. He decides to take a boat and go into the center of the ocean. He takes the boat, goes almost far across from the land where there is no one to disturb. And now he finds the right place. A place where he can sit in the boat, meditate quietly without anyone disturbing him. And now after a long time of meditation, he starts to get peace. And that ultimate moment where he was supposed to reach the pinnacle of his meditation is when he hears almost towards the end a knock, a strong knock on his boat. Knock, 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 knock. And now that he gets frustrated. Of all the things, who's going to disturb? Who's come here to disturb me into the center of the ocean? With his eyes closed, anger raging into his mind, furiously he opens his eyes to scold that other person. Why have you come to disturb me? Why have you come all the way into the center of the ocean to disturb my peace? And with rage he opens his eyes, and about to open his mouth, he finds an empty boat which has got adrift from the shore, and it's touching his boat, making that knock knock sound. Now he has no one else to vent out his anger. Whom will he shout upon? The empty boat? In this moment of time, he realizes that the disturbances are not external. The reasons are not external. It's just an empty boat. The day he realizes that is the day he really understands what real meditation is all about. The moral of the story is the empty boat. Most of our anger, most of our hatred, you can say all of our anger, all of our hatred is within us. Just like the empty boat, no one else can disturb you but your own thoughts, your own mind space. So start contemplating on this story. See what's the empty boat in your life. In case if you have got angry on someone, in case if you have blamed someone, in case if you have done something to someone, it is not the other person, it's not the external factors that matter. What matters is your mind space. Make the corrections within, and you will see that, just like in the story, everything else is an empty boat. What matters is you, your thoughts and your mind space. With this story, if we can apply, as I narrate this, I am myself trying to apply this story. Many a times, I have faltered on my own ways of getting angry on other people, but I'm working on myself. So should you. If you are inspired with this story, do share this story. Maybe someone can benefit from this story. Thank you so much.